Hello guys! Welcome to our video tutorial. So, our topic is all about introduction and basic concepts of thermodynamics and heat transfer. And is our sample problem. A room has a dimension of 7 by 7 by 9 meters. Determine the mass and weight of the air contained in the room. Assume the density of the air is 1.77 kg per cubic meter. So first, to determine the mass, we need to find the volume first, which is length times width times height. So we will use the given here 7 times 7 times 9. So it is equal to 441 cubic meter, which is our volume. Next, we will use the formula for mass. Then we will multiply the density times the volume, and we will get our mass 780.57 kg. Next, in order to determine the weight of the air contained in the room, we will use this formula where weight is equal to mass times gravity. So 780.57 kg times the gravity. So we have our final answer here 7,657.39 Newton. So thank you for listening.